in the spirit of it, yes! So we're checking out Pandora. Never been here, so we're just going to see what it's all about. But look at this. Yeah, look at that. It's a real banshee. I think Erin thinks it's real.
You want to pet her?
She thinks it's real. Oh, bless her. Wow, check out the cool theming. This is pretty impressive, isn't it? Pretty busy in here. Wow, check it out. How cool is that? It's really high. It's a lot higher than I thought it was going to be. Wow. So Erin doesn't want to wear her ears. Never really walked around Animal Kingdom at night, so enjoying it. It's really cool. It's all lit up. Pippa looks cool. 210 minutes for Flight of the Passage. Standby. Would you really stand there for nearly 3.5 hours just to see a ride? But it's going to last about 4 or 5 minutes. Wow. You've got to be pretty hardcore for that, but we're not. And we have a child, so there you go. Anyway, we're just going over the bridge into Harambe Market. I'm going all blue! So it is our last night on this trip to Florida. It has been filled with a lot of memories, not for the right reasons, illnesses, stress, drama. But this is what it's all about. This is the real Florida holiday. This is the real Disney holiday. And it only happens to us. No, you see a lot of it going on. There's people screaming at their kids and having meltdowns. And yeah, it's not all fluffy bunnies and all that kind of stuff. But we are out in April for 2 weeks next year, not 1 week. So see, as we're talking to you now, Erin's trying to climb out of the push buggy, out of the stroller. So you never see what goes on behind the scenes. It's just craziness. So we're going to just go and check out Pandora Lights, and then we're going to go off, get some cheesecake at the Cheesecake Factory, and hopefully it won't be busy because it is Black Friday and the Cheesecake Factory is at the mall. So we'll see how that goes. Look at the side of my face is dark. All yellow. We're done at Animal Kingdom and we're rushing for the tram. We just wanted to say, check out the big tree all lit up. How cool is that? So we're at the Mall of Millennia trying to get a table at Cheesecake Factory. It's Black Friday, so it could be busy. We've had to park just outside of the car park at some little restaurant car park, and we're going to try and see if we can get a table, and we're praying and hoping last meal, there's not going to be a massive long wait, but it's us, so who knows. So we've made it to Cheesecake Factory and only a 30 to 40 minute wait, so we're happy. Last night meal is going to be hopefully a good one. This is the outside seating, by the way, for anyone interested. And the entrance to the Mall of Millennia is just there. Look at a big Christmas tree. And you get all the poshy cars pulling up for valet right out the front. And it is super busy with cars. Gotta love Black Friday. Erin, what have you got in your hand?
Buzzer.
What does the buzzer do? Excellent. Now, this is what it's like inside, and you've got loads of little booths, and there's a bar on the left hand side, and yeah, it's quite cosy, but it's a little bit dark. This is our little booth, all to ourselves.
I just answered for my drink and my food on my own.
What did you do, Erin? You ordered your food?
On my own and my drink. I'm going to have water and pasta.
And what sauce are you having with your pasta?
Tomato.
Nice. So when you place an order for your meal, they also come out with this really gorgeous bread. So you've got like a malt bread, and you've also got like a white bread, which Erin has... What are you doing? So food is up, and I have gone for the burrito grande, or the grande burrito, which is ginormous. It is ridiculously huge. As you can see, it's like the size of my forearm. And it comes with a side of guacamole, and some sour cream, some black beans. Erin has gone for... You have gone for some pasta. Do you like that? Is that nice? Yeah? Wow. You are back on pasta. It's been 2 years. And Pippa, she has gone for... What's it called again?
Factory combo.
The factory combo. So you've basically got, what is it? It's a steak.
Steak Diane and chicken Madeira.
And what's the stuff in the middle? It's like a...
Garlic mash.
Garlic mash. The portion sizes in the Cheesecake Factory are really big. I mean, Erin's is easily adult size. I mean, look at the size of her compared to the food bun. It's ridiculous. I'll just show you inside actually before I get stuck in. It's got in there rice, onions, and what else is in there? Mushrooms, peppers. It's just full of burrito goodness. If you like your burritos, then you've got to check this out. And it's about $15.95 on the menu. Pippa's was about $22. Erin's is about $7.50. There you go. So it's not the cheapest of places, but you definitely get your money's worth. And then you can take it home in a doggy bag if you want, or well, it's not a doggy bag, it's a little container box. Right, let's get stuck in. I'm hungry. He took it away before I could film it, but it was done. I did it. I ate it all. Erin's, she ate a few bits. Pippa's wasn't that great, was it? No. Bit disappointing.
Best one I've ever had.
Last meal than holiday.
It is.
It's what it is. It happens to us all the time. Living the dream on tour. So this is the Cheesecake Factory bar where you can get the cheesecakes to go. Look at all these cheesecakes. Cheesecake Factory, done.